Elon Musk. This is a topic that cannot be finished talking about. There is no limit to how he surprises us from time to time. Twitter is the newest brand among Tesla, Neuralink and Starlink. But today we are not talking about Twitter. You are familiar with Tesla. In this video, you can learn many things that you have not heard before about the Tesla production factory located in the state of California in the United States of America. In the year 2003, when the Tesla company joins to speed up the concept of sustainable use of energy, a remarkable change takes place in this field. Also, Tesla is joining the world market very quickly. There is no doubt that when a wonderful car like Tesla is manufactured, it must have an even more wonderful factory. A perfect factory with the most of these features is centered in the state of California. Spread over an area of 5.3 million square feet, this factory employs about 10,000 workers. How did they get to this point? We are going to talk about all that today. Number 1. The places where Tesla passed. In the fourth quarter of 2020, the Tesla company was ready to take some unique steps in the automobile manufacturing industry with the record number of sales in the automobile manufacturing industry. In the year 2020, their production speed was not enough to meet the demand in the future, even if they completed a supply of 500,000. As a solution to these problems, Tesla Gigafactories are starting to be built all over the world. The first car produced by Tesla is the Roadster. With that very first design, they showed that electric cars can be as fast as gasoline-powered cars. Tesla S model is coming to the market next. That was in 2012. With that, they proved that electric cars can pass the level of being luxuriant. After that, they will start installing Tesla's supercharging network. After that, customers will be able to use Tesla cars for long distances without fear. Gradually, it will develop into fully autonomous driving. Amidst all this, they are unveiling the Red Roadster car in space. Also, the Tesla Semi will be unveiled at a big event. At the same time, they are able to challenge the market value of General Motors as well as Ford. Elon Musk's strange advertising style caused the Tesla company, which was a stranger to the automobile industry, to make such a revolution. But marketing is only one factor. It is important to release a good vehicle with a standard. We don't need to tell you that Tesla is the best brand in that regard. This is due to their efficient manufacturing process and assembly process. Number 2. Where are Tesla cars made? The Tesla factory in California is one of the most advanced factories in terms of technology. This factory is spread over an area of 370 acres. Elon Musk calls it a machine that makes machines. The Fremont site is Tesla's first factory. It starts in 2010. Now they have several large Gigafactories, but the beginning of all of them is the Tesla Fremont office. Like SpaceX, Elon Musk doesn't want this premises to be separated by walls. Everyone from the designer to the engineer works together to create the amazing Tesla. The assembly of cars actually takes place in the factory below this office complex. Unlike other factories owned by Tesla, this Fremont factory was not designed by them from scratch. It was the headquarters of General Motors Company in 1962 to 1982. It was later bought by Toyota's subsidiary NUMMI for $800 million. On May 20, 2010, this factory worth $800 million will be sold for as little as $59 million. Most of it with machines. A few different renovations are taking place inside the factory next. In that work site, the earth is colored white and most of the machines are colored red. At first glance, these things may seem insignificant, but all of these changes are modern changes that are suitable for modern car production. Tesla even used skylights to provide natural light to the workplace. Due to those small changes, an inefficient environment was gradually transformed into a modern and active environment. Along with this Fremont factory, it has an employee training center, a dining hall, a variety of food trucks, a fully equipped gym, and a 24-hour medical center. The point that can be understood from this is that the well-known Google, Apple and Tesla also take good care of their employees. Almost everything at the Fremont factory is automated. The Tesla Model 3 is designed and born in this Fremont factory. The related assembly unit is equipped with the most efficient automatic machines. At one time, Tesla had a large number of robots at work. At one point, even Elon Musk admits that using too much robotics was a mistake they made. But nowadays they are working with a perfect balance of robots and human labor. They have criteria prepared for that. Generally speaking, machines are more suitable for producing accessories that need to be produced in the same size like batteries, bolts, battery packs. But it is preferable to use human labor to produce things like fabric, belts, wires. The super manufacturing process of the Model 3 is controlled through the Tesla Manufacturing Operating System. It is created by Tesla, the company's own software engineers. Generally, when other cars are manufactured, this software is produced by a third party. But because Tesla has their own engineers, they can direct their unique manufacturing process. Even though it will cost a lot, the Tesla company, which has a market value of over $800 billion, will hardly feel the costs. In addition to assembling and giving the final appearance of a car, the Fremont factory also manufactures other components needed for vehicles. For example, there is a separate unit to produce Tesla seats. Although this is not as big as the main factory, it has managed to gain a good reputation in the field of car manufacturing. They produce the highest quality seats made using vegan fabrics. These seats are stylish, durable, very comfortable and eco-friendly. If we go further than that, Tesla has separate units for producing autopilot hardware and battery management systems. There are a few other things. After a Tesla car is assembled and finished in the color gun, it is also subjected to a very careful inspection. With all these things, the Tesla company has the ability to produce about 500,000 cars per year. All this is done by their highly efficient staff of 10,000 people and 200 robots. Each of these robots costs approximately $50,000. Each machine has a special function within the Tesla company. Not only that, they are named for each superhero. Number 3. What are Tesla Gigafactories really? Tesla currently owns 4 Gigafactories in 4 locations around the world. The Nevada base is spread over 1.5 million square feet. The New York base that paid more attention to solar energy than vehicles. The Shanghai base that produces Model Y and the Berlin base that targets the European market are the 4 that were built in this way. In this way, each of these Gigafactories has been allocated special tasks. Number 4. Why did they set up a new headquarters in Texas? Tesla Giga Texas is known as this new Tesla headquarters, which was completed at a cost of $1.1 billion and was created recently. It is located in Austin, USA. This is also known as Tesla's 5th Gigafactory. Its land area is 2,500 acres. The raw materials supplied to the Austin Tesla Center will not need to pay customs duties. More than 5,000 jobs will be created. So from all this, it is clear to us that Elon Musk is a very talented person.